Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Guests in Islam. Saying salam. One sunny day, an angel was passing through town when he spotted a man standing outside someone else's home. He stopped and asked the man, "What are you doing in front of this house?" The man said, "One of my dear brothers lives here, and I'm waiting for him to come out so I can say salam." The angel paused and then asked, "Is he one of your real brothers?" "No, he's not related to me. He's my brother in Islam," replied the man. "Then, are you waiting here to ask him for a favor?" asked the angel. "No, I don't need anything from him. It's been a few days since I've seen him in the masjid, so I wanted to say salam and ask him how he's doing," said the man. "Allah likes it when you visit your friends and say salam." The angel replied, "I've come from Allah and He sends a salam to you." The man was so touched and thought to himself, "Alhamdulillah, all praises for Allah." But he was also surprised. What did I do to deserve a salam from the Creator of the universe? After a moment, he asked the angel, "But why would Allah send His salam to me?" The angel responded, "You came to your friend with humility and kindness. Allah has said that you deserve to go to heaven because of this act of kindness. Surely, Allah loves it when we say salam to others and show them we care about them." Imam Muhammad Baqir has said,
"Surely, Allah loves those who help the needy and greet others with salam.
وَإِذَا جَاءَكَ الَّذِينَ يُؤْمِنُونَ بِآيَاتِنَا فَقُلْ سَلَامٌ عَلَيْكُمْ."
So say, Salam and Alaikum.